Okay, here's an R series machine. What you can see is 44 foot long, over 19 feet wide. This is half of the tank. It's on its side because it's going into the paint booth down there. So here's one half of the tank, and here is the second half of the tank. This machine will have a cross beam with a cutting envelope of close to 17 feet. I think it's 16.5 feet by over 40 foot long with 4 cutting heads. The second machine for this customer, and too big to transport down the road in one hit. So to be painted, and then we'll actually stack them on top of each other, ship them to Nebraska and go on site and actually weld it together. When we fabricated it at first, it was built together. We cut it apart so we know it all goes back. Of course, the biggest issue is making sure when you put that middle weld in that it's waterproof. You do not want to have a leak when the whole thing's put together. Well, with a big tank comes a big crossbeam, and in this situation we have a cutting envelope of 16.5 feet, 4 Z carriages coming on. We stiffen up the back of our beams as soon as we get to the additional length, so there's a lot of additional stiffness. Helical rack and split pinion, extremely accurate, much more accurate than a ball screw. And otherwise everything else is pretty well standard. So again, looking for something that's unique, or something, a special need that you have, or just a standard part. This particular machine will be able to take 4 8-foot by 20-foot sheets and put them all on the same cutting envelope, which is fairly reasonable in size. But again, a fun project. We actually have 3 of these behind each other in a row. The next one gets shipped overseas. So, looking for a big machine with a whole bunch of capacity, give us a shout. We'd love to do it.